3 words: make it count. You see, at the start of the year, you probably set some goals for yourself, and maybe you've crushed them, or maybe you're way off track and they've crushed you. Look, either way, right now you still got around 13% of the year left to make progress. Right now, most people are preparing to spend the time doing things that are going to move them further away from those goals. You see, we're going to eat or drink way too much, slack off at work, get sloppy in the gym, stay up late, watch TV, you know the things, everything that's taking you away from your actual goals. But this is the reason why most people have an ordinary life. It's because most people don't go hard after their goals whenever they get the chance. They don't make it count. Look, I'm not saying you don't deserve a break. I'll be taking time off, look, around the holidays, right? But let's make a deal. Pick one thing that you want to accomplish by year end. Now pick one activity, one task that will make it possible, whether it's your work or your workout. When you do it, make it